Madonna's actually I go for aggressive for me dinner. You don't listen how she go do me. Madonna's. Maybe so no friend Grace here. I look for me to Rasta job. Boy. Stop them here and listen to one cartel sing thing here. But so no friend Grace here. After me tell Grace to say me I come, she for carry the food come. Watch how me have to come here so come park up in a road and wait for a bickle. I walk here and go so. No sir. Tell Grace to say, Gracie, meet me outside of the food. Where she a come from? Call her, you know. Before me left me yard, you know. But then I listen to one cartel interview. You know. Not me there right now. Listen to one cartel interview. Drive me a drive and say, see pop up on YouTube. So I listen to what I say. You know? Oh God. He's a fan of everybody until you start the wrong. And me easily give people second chance. But if I see so you're constantly trying to feed my brain with wrongs, I'm gone. That's why I not put my all into celebrity like I see some people put them all into celebrity. I don't do that. I not do that. I love people. I'm a people person. I not do that. I'm watching a sexy friend Gracie. Whoa. Let me see him again. I'm watching a sexy friend.
Me so stretch out through camera. Where we start there?
I forgot the cat.
Oh shit.
But see a porridge here. I remember, oh, me tell you. You remember Gracie?
Just ever put in one pot with little water.
Yes, and turn on his stove.
And turn on his stove. Make it cook.
Yes. And make it take time.
And the people then give the same thing for give me and come like I want you.
Me no know how me forget that because me say me
remember
want
say
you.
if you come collect pickle though.
Yeah, because me hungry. Thank you very much for the local food.
No little. I wear my hand.
Okay, so me fast tonight here now. Okay, so my vegetable, I put up my phone right here so I can't tell the people them what you give me. So,
why you say you can?
no bird must put on. Oh, somebody put something on it, but the birdie want to go wash up. It's vegetable, yeah?
A valet parking near the door.
Oh, the valet parking at Sojo. Oh, well, then put that on there. If I take it out of Grace, I don't want to stay in it. I never ever see it. Thank you very much. You couldn't carry one far come plastic.
I don't know, yeah, go eat.
Me hungry. Okay, so I'm going to get rice and peas and goat and gungo. Gungo, rice and peas, fried chicken and goat. You see that? Nice, not true?
And see little salad over there.
Yes, I'm sure I'm ready. And water. Because we're not going to be hard right now. So.
Oh, she a drop them in and somebody do them.
Thank you, darling.
Me the pot they are real hard, you know, watch her.
Thank you, my darling.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Run I put me sit down in my time, you know, I say my run come look so I
Yeah.
down so me see take care.
Yeah, right there. Alright. Yeah. Okay, Madonna, so let's see. Come for my food. And I ain't going home. So, right now. I want the water for drink because it's nice and cool and I'm thirsty. So my girl bring food for me. A good girl. Long time I not come over here for look for food, you know? Long time. Yep. I forgot the scarf. But when I'm done, I carry scarf, come give me. Oh, I forgot that, man. I should have just put it in my bag. I know, say my head now remember things already. But Jesus, I can't go so. Anyways, bye, Madonna's. Big up on a nice clean self. Brother, go on. Later.